day here at Ocean Beach. Welcome back, or whatever. Today we got the 7.0 PYZEL Log. Pretty sick. This is a fun performance board. JJF by PYZEL. Very interesting brand. They make PYZEL shapes, but they make them affordable. All right, here we are. Made it. Let's get it. Yeah, the report, that's about 3 to 4 foot plus. It's never right. I don't know what it really means. I don't really go out there with a yardstick, so we can only hope. All right, let's get it. Have to change the battery again. It's lost to me. Alright. It's pretty damn good today. It's like third level out there. It's braking perfectly third level. I'm so glad I brought this board. Needs the 7-foot board for the deep water. Anyway, here we go. Let's go back at it. Super good today.